Hello guys, hope everyone is good. I am very excited to share that I am starting the LeetCode series. From today onwards, I am solve every problem day by day. It's very helpful for placements also. If you like it, you know what to do. And without any further discussions, let's start the video. So this is the question we have today. And the question name is +1. In this question, they give the input as an array. In the element in the array, we are adding +1, get the output. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3 in the elements in the array, we are adding +1 to the 1, 2, 3, we got 1, 2, 4. So we print 1, 2, 4, same as the array. Suppose we have 9 as input, we are adding +1 to the 9, we get 10. So we are getting the output 1, 0. If you get the answer, please comment down. If you did not, I will explain it. Think a minute. Coming to answer of the question, it is very simple. The logic is, suppose in the array we did not have any 9. Simply we add +1 to the last element, we get the output. If we have 9, we replace 9 with 0. So I explain in the notepad with the help of notepad. Suppose we have 1, 2, 9 array. We simply, in the place of 9, we put 0, and before 9 element, what are the elements? We are adding +1, that element. Adding +1, so 2 + 1 is 3, and remaining all same. So we get the output. And another condition is we have all 9s. Suppose we have all 9s. 9, 9, 9. So in this case, we create one new array with the length with +1 before length +1 before length array +1. So we have a length plus 3. We created array with 4 length. So we replace 9 with 0 here and 0 here and 0 here, and lastly we put the index 0 with 1. We get the output. So coming to coding part. So first we coming from n minus length to front. So here we using for loop int I equal to digits plus length minus 1, and I is up to 0, we have go on, and I minus 1 is. So if the ith element, digits of I, is not equal to 9 or less than 9, we directly adding +1 to that digit, we return that one directly. So in this case, we directly adding +3 + 1, 4, we directly return that digits. Okay. If you have any 9 in the element in the array, we swap with 0 where the 9 is present. So array of I, if we have 9, we swap with array of I equal to 0. And if we present all 9s, we create new array, new array. When the for loop is stop with when the all 9s are present in the array, the for loop is break. So we did not return anything here. So if we have all 9s in the array, we did not return anything here. So we come out to the for loop. We create one all 9 array with before array length plus 1. Digits length plus 1 plus 1. So we here I already explained that we swap with 0 index with 1 no. So here we can all 9 of 0 equal to 1 and simply return that one, return all 9. So I run this one. 1 second. This is no. So we submit with test case of author class. So it's successfully submitted and beats 100%. So we completed day 1. Thank you for everyone who watched till the end. See you in day 2.